Hey, so what do you do when you feel like the doors keep closing? Like you're trying to do this thing in your business and you can't get it done. It's just like these obstacles keep coming in and doors are not opening for you. So I was on a call with a client the other day and he was so frustrated because this thing he wants to create in his business, he's just like, I'm not able to do it and I don't understand why. And he wanted me to give him the code. He wanted me to give him 12 steps to success. And I said, I can't give you that because in everyone's business and whatever your business is, there are no 12 steps to success because it looks different for every single person. So my encouragement is whenever you're having these big obstacles or really frustrated is to look at what you're supposed to learn here because there's always an opportunity. It's never about the thing. It's about what you're supposed to learn in the process of getting to the thing. So if you're super frustrated in this going for the thing, that's part of the issue. How you relate to the issue is the issue. So once you can start understanding how to look at this frustration in a different way and what's it trying to tell you, like if the doors aren't opening easily, there's something for you to learn. So that's the first step, is to actually look at what's happening and see how you can learn from it. Do you need to learn a new skill? Do you need to learn how to do something differently? Is this the right track for you? That's always a good question. So I would start there for sure, because your track is going to look like your track. So once you can start to see what these obstacles are telling you, then you can start going inside to see what is actually being whispered in your ear. Is it to nudge this way? Because you have a point of view of like, my business and my life looks like this. And then you get stuck in that. But when you just look over here, everything looks different. So once you can shift that point of view a little bit and allow new thoughts to come in and new inspirations, you might think of a new thing to do in your business, a new way to get to where you want to go. Or maybe the goal changes, or maybe it all changes. You just never know. But Spirit's here whispering in your ear all the time of guideposts. Like life is reflecting to you. Do you keep going this way? If the doors keep opening, just keep walking through them. If the doors keep shutting, it's time to course correct. So there's no wrong way or right way, and there's no way that anybody can tell you exactly what to do to get to where you want to go. That's yes, you can learn how to do that, you can learn the steps, but it's your intuitive process as well. So let me know if you have any questions about this, because I understand it's kind of a tricky thing to understand that you're always being reflected what you're here to learn. But I'm Arriane Alexander. If you don't know me, I'm a business and soul coach, and I'd love to hear your ahas from this today. Ciao!